Mercy, is it now that you are cooking this food?
Mama, welcome. My lover boy is to be visited.
Mercy!
No, Mama. Mercy, the great warrior. Very important, Mama. Very, very important. You have to add Mercy, the village warrior. Mama, please, it's very important. It's not fair. Even all these village people, nobody don't used to call me Mercy, the village warrior. Mama, you have to add it. Yes, you have to add it. It's very important. Mercy, the great village warrior. Or you can as well call me village fighter. I will accept it. Yes, now.
Shut up! Kete mama wakwa gi senior. Banana loko senior na ramman. Talkative. Blah 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 nyo.
Mama, that one now old school proverb now. Mama, this is exact age. Minimum age. Mama, see all my mates are flying jets. They are flying jet to the city, flying jet to abroad, flying jet to Lagos. Mama, me safe. I want to fly jets. Yes, I want to fly jets.
Shut up! Before I slap you. Look at you. Nonsense.
Because I said I want to fly jets. Flying jet is good though.
Mercy, nobody will say I did not tell you, and I will continue talking. If you want to hear, if you don't want to hear, you leave it.
Then you will become talkative. Mama, it's not good for your health. You cannot be talking like this. You cannot be talking too much. Don't say it's me, Mercy, the village warrior. It's the one that make you to have BPO. Don't say so. Mama, you dey go? Mama, don't say it's I, Mercy, that make you have BPO. But make I tell you, me, Mercy, the village fighter. One day, I will enter that private jet. Yes, I will enter that private jet and follow my white Oyibo man and go to his country.